Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and here we are, a new build of Windows 10 19H1. Yep, that's the next version of Windows 10 that will be released in March of 2019. 18290 released a couple of minutes ago by the Windows Insider team. I've already started my Insider machine for the download and install, so it's actually started right now. It says getting things ready at 70%. So we'll be checking out what's new, what's not, how good or bad it is. Hopefully it would install well. My review will be coming up later today, so depending on how long it's going to take to install. The last few builds took forever to install, so I expect this one to maybe stay in the same, very long install phase. So if that does take a lot of time, it will be later today, much later today, probably early evening. So build 18290, released for the fast ring, installing right now, review coming up a little later. So just fire up your Insider machines and check it out, and hopefully things will be going pretty well on this new build of 19H1. We'll see what's new also. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching.